चाहते थे कि एक बार बहन जी आ जाएंगी तो जिस गांव में पहुंचेंगी उस गांव में सोना जैसे बरसने लगता है। लोग कर्मचारी लोग जो है दौड़ दौड़ के काम बढ़िया करवाने लगते हैं। हम लोग चाहते थे कि आ जाए बहन जी एक बार तो पूरा गांव चमक जाएगा। शायद वो आ नहीं पाई।
Malihabad Tehsil in Uttar Pradesh is famous as the mango capital of the country, but Gram Panchayat of Mal in Malihabad had another claim to fame. In 2014, it was adopted by BSP chief Mayawati under the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. The program was a village development and cleanliness program announced by the government of India. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the program in 2014 on the birth anniversary of Jayaprakash Narayan. The object of the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana was to transform each panchayat into a model for others, thus facilitating a virtuous cycle of long-term development and social change. But at Mall Gram Panchayat, poor sanitation and lack of basic infrastructure remain chronic problems. Piles of garbage litter the Kacha village roads, while open drains and stagnant water make mosquito infestation a year-round health hazard. The condition of this Gram Panchayat also raises questions about the long-term sustainability of the Yojana, particularly for villages after their adopting MP quits or their term ends. In the years between 2014 and 2017, when Mayawati was a Rajya Sabha MP, she directed some of her MP lads funds to Mall Gram Panchayat. This was confirmed to the print by officials of the District Rural Development Authority in Lucknow. Ashutosh Chaurasia, Pradhan of Mall Gram Panchayat, was elected to the post in 2021, 4 years after Mayawati resigned from the Rajya Sabha. But he had to make a few calls to confirm whether his village was actually the one adopted by Mayawati. So in the 10 years since Mall was adopted by Mayawati in 2014, the fact of this adoption has been well forgotten. जब 2014 में इस गांव को सांसद आदर्श ग्राम योजना के तहत मायावती जी ने गोद लिया था, उसके बाद क्या किस तरह के बदलाव हुए इस गांव में और तब से 10 साल में क्या बदलाव हुए उसके बारे में आप हमें थोड़ा बता पाएँ तो।
मायावती जी के बाद में मतलब कार्यकाल में बदलाव हुए हैं। एक आरसीसी रोड हमारे वहाँ बनी अम्बेडकर नगर में, इंटरलॉकिंग का भी कार्य हुआ है। उसके बाद से कोई कार्य नहीं हुआ अभी तक।
कुछ लाइटें लगी थी कुछ रोड में?
हाँ, लाइटें लगी थी। मायावती जी के कार्यकाल में लाइटें लगी थी। गांव को गोद लिया गया था माल ग्राम पंचायत।
Mayawati resigned from Rajya Sabha in 2017 and is currently not an MP. The original guidelines of the Yojana don't provide for situations where the MP ceases to be a member of parliament, but it also doesn't specify a course of action if goals under the scheme are not achieved. However, an advisory issued by the Ministry of Rural Development last year offers some clarification for cases where MPs are unable or unwilling to continue work in a particular Gram Panchayat. Among other things, if work has already begun under a village development plan, the village remains under the Yojana and the state government is obligated to implement the plan. This is what the advisory says. Ministry sources told the print that this advisory also applies when an MP retires or ceases to be a parliamentarian. This means that Mall Gram Panchayat is still technically adopted under the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, but for villagers this does not mean much. They report that they never experienced any major benefits from the village adoption program in the first place. Tucked away in Malihabad, famous for its fragrant Dasheri mangoes, Mall Gram Panchayat has 5 villages under it: Bhavar, Mall, Naru, Vidishama and Gagan Baroli. The Gram Panchayat has over 1500 households, with 41% belonging to the Dalit community, according to a baseline survey conducted under the Yojana in 2015. Under the scheme, Gram Panchayats are supposed to undergo a flurry of changes through processes which lead to holistic development. This includes the MPs themselves spearheading the planning stage through environment creation and social mobilization, with the help of local governance bodies. Naturally, when the village was first adopted by Mayawati, residents were ecstatic.
That time I am not mature, so I don't think.
आपको पता चला था तब जब
Yes,
हुआ
yes,
था?
yes.
तो कैसा लगा था फिर भी अगर आप
Yes,
सोच के
yes.
बताएं तो होपफुल थे आप?
I am very proud this time because my village is only one for all India is Mayawati adopted.
तो you were very proud then?
Yes, yes.
हाँ. But now do you think that she has let you down? थोड़ा आपको disappointment
Yes,
हुआ?
yes, yes, yes.
But this enthusiasm soon died down. According to the villagers, Mayawati never visited the village.
ध्यान तो रखा लेकिन यहाँ पे आ नहीं पाई। अब किस कारण से नहीं आ पाई ये हम लोगों को नहीं मालूम, लेकिन यहाँ पे रोडों का काम हुआ था, लाइट का काम हुआ था, इतना काम हुआ था मैम।
Despite some initial improvements like lights and paved lanes, the current reality is far from the Adarsh envisaged by the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Open sewers, overflowing garbage dumps, and limited livelihood opportunities plague all 5 villages. Currently, only about 50% drains in the Gram Panchayat are covered, with the remaining drains remaining an open ground for mosquito infestation.
नाली है, बीमारी घर है, नाली हमारे यहाँ सफाई नहीं होती है।
तो सफाई होती ही नहीं है यहाँ पे।
सफाई कहूँ साल 2 साल में हुई गए, देखो तो पहले नाली कचड़ा भरा है हर एक चीज में, और बच्चन बीमार हुए तो ले दौड़े फिरो दुनिया भर में।
The lack of employment opportunities in the village is also driving several residents to far-off places. Residents in the village are predominantly into mango cultivation since Malihabad is the mango capital of the country. The residents also used to run nurseries, sell it under Manrega, and they would receive the money directly from the BDO. However, they told the print that with newer government policies, these avenues have reduced.
हमारे यहाँ विकास के तो कोई काम हो नहीं रहे, सिर्फ गांव के लोग जो है लाइन लगा करके जो है राशन की दुकानों पे खड़े हो जाते हैं और 2-2 4-4 घंटा और लगभग 1-2 दिन जो है बर्बाद कर देते हैं राशन की दुकानों पे जो है, और शाम को लौट भी आते हैं। कभी कभी मिलता है, कभी कभी कहते हैं दूसरे दिन आओ। अच्छा। तो लोग सिर्फ ये आशा लगा के रहते हैं कि यार राशन हमें मिलेगा खाने को, बाकी राशन के ही लिए लोग दौड़ते हैं।
Water is another problem.
में बिछी हुई हैं, वो जो है ध्वस्त पड़ी हुई हैं, उनका कार्य अभी पूरा नहीं हो पा रहा, इसलिए पानी जो है जगह जगह नहीं पहुंच पा रहा, बिल्कुल ना के बराबर पानी बह रहा है।
Within Mal village in Mal Gram Panchayat, the Pradhan credits PM Modi and CM Yogi Adityanath for any development that has taken place in the Gram Panchayat in the past few years.
उसके बाद बदलाव हुए हमारे वहाँ, फिर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे मोदी जी आए, उसके बाद काफ़ी बदलाव यहाँ हुआ है। माननीय प्रधान जी के कार्यकाल के बाद काफ़ी स्कीमें भी प्राप्त हुई हैं, लोगों को काफ़ी लाभ भी मिला है। और एक तो जल जीवन मिशन के अंतर्गत काफ़ी लोगों को जल प्राप्त हो रहा है, पानी घर घर जल प्राप्त हो रहा है प्रेजेंट में, और काफ़ी उन्होंने अच्छा किया है। लोगों को अन्य योजनाओं का भी लाभ मिल रहा है माननीय प्रधान जी के कार्यकाल में।
However, in Ambedkar Tola, Prakash seems disillusioned by promises from all successive governments. They acknowledge that no work has been done in the village by Mayawati lately, but some blame it on the fact that currently the BJP government is in power in the state and not Mayawati.
Now what do you think? Has she done for the village? Has she done things for the village?
Now time, this time, I think no.
She has not done anything.
Yes.
Right now she has not.
Yes.
Okay.
Because in this time majority government is BJP, so all powers and all facilities under this Yogi.
और मैंने देखा है कि सिर्फ कागज़ पूर्ति हो रही है, वो आदर्श ग्राम पंचायत हो या कोई भी स्कीम के तहत गांव रखे जाए, वो सिर्फ कागजी पूर्ति होती है, कागज़ पे जो है दिखा दिया जाता है, ज़मीन पे काम नहीं उतरता है। हमने देखा है कि लगभग सबकी सरकारें आई, सभी लोग काम करते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने अपने एजेंडे बना करके अपना काम करके उल्लू सीधा करके निकल लेते हैं। गांव जैसा का वैसा पड़ा है, कोई विकास नहीं हो रहा है।
While residents claim that they never experienced any major benefits from the village adoption program in the first place, the fate of this UP village adopted by Mayawati also raises a significant question about the sustainability of the Adarsh Gram scheme once the parent MP leaves the parliament. This is Apurva Mandhani from The Print, along with national photo editor Praveen Jain, reporting from Mal Gram Panchayat in Malihabad Tehsil in Uttar Pradesh.